Here is a quick layout update. In the back, I am planning on putting a intermodal yard. Up front, I am going to add industry. I'm not sure what I'm going to add. I'm going to put a yard lead switch in against the wall with the paneling, and the yard lead will go up behind the masonite to hide those 3 tracks back there. And coming up through the intermodal yard, I am going to have the yard start here. I'm going to have a arrival and departure track, and then 3 more tracks for breaking down the arrival and departure. Eventually, I am going to put a industry in this area. I'm not sure what industry yet. Here is more of the yard getting laid out. A couple of the locomotives, a couple of the cars. And we are coming to the area which I'm doing construction on now. I decided to tear up the main line in this area and redirect it. Instead of having the main line on the lower level go on the outside, I decided to keep the main line on the upper deck on the outside and bring the main line on the lower on the inside. And I am going to be able to put another industry here where the hammer's at. And we are going to make the install a new grade going down there. And behind the view block, I'm going to have some industries and switching. And up front, I'm planning on putting a grain tower in. And keep moving along. And in this area, I am going to build a farm. I'm going to install the view block to continue along the side and put some more industries for switching. And this grade right here is going to get flattened out to, it will be all level, so therefore it'll make it easier for switching out industries. I decided to do that later. At first, when I built this layout, I just wanted to run trains in continuous loops. And now, after doing that for a while, I decided I wanted to do some switching. So I decided to rebuild the layout. If you have any suggestions on any industries of what might go on, please leave them in the comments below.